Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Cosuvow dash cam 4K front dash camera for cars. Let the comparison begin. Alright, let's talk video quality. The CHENSIVE dashcam offers a mind-blowing 4K resolution with 3 cameras to capture every angle of the road. It's like having your own personal movie studio in your car. But wait, the Cosuvow dashcam also brings the heat with its Ultra HD 4K resolution. It's like watching a Hollywood blockbuster in your car.
It's a tough call, but both cameras deliver stunning video quality.
Your road trips will never be the same again.
Now let's dive into the features.
The CHENSIVE dashcam comes with a free 64GB SD card, so you don't have to worry about running out of storage space.
Plus, it has a 24-hour parking monitor to keep an eye on your car even when you're not around. On the other hand, the Cosuvow dashcam comes with Wi-Fi app control. You can view live footage, replay recordings, and even share your epic road trips with friends and family.
Both dash cams have some killer features, so it really depends on what you're looking for. Do you want extra storage and parking monitoring, or do you want to become the next viral sensation with your road trip videos? Now let's talk about design.
The CHENSIVE dashcam has a sleek hidden design that won't distract you while driving.
It's like having James Bond's gadgets in your car.
But hold on. The Cosuvow dashcam has a fashionable mini design that won't block your sight.
It's like having a dash cam that's both stylish and functional. Design-wise, both cameras are winners.
You'll be cruising in style and capturing those epic moments on the road.
And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam and the Cosuvow dash cam 4K front dash camera for cars.
Both cameras bring their A game, but the final decision is up to you.
Remember to consider your needs and preferences when making your choice. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product comparisons, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.
Stay tuned for more awesome content from Buy Smart.
Until next time, happy shopping!